friends, today I'm excited because I have another unboxing. This is my Echo Park unboxing that I've been expecting, and I did get my Heidi swap in, and I videotaped myself opening it, and then there was an issue with the recording, so I have to re-record it. I have to like kind of put the things back in the way they were, but they're never going to be exact. But I am going to still retape that unboxing, and I won't spoil it, but you know, there is an opinion about that one. But I have no opinions about this one yet because I have not seen what's inside, so we're going to open it together. I have one of my papers covering up my address here. Now, if anyone wants to send me gifts, I'll be glad to give you my address. Just kidding, but I don't want my address out there on the internet, so I covered that up. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Woohoo! My little paper here is sliding. I have a new setup. I'm always experimenting on what is the best way to record here. So we'll see how this new arrangement works out. Hopefully the lighting's a little bit better. Oh, we still got more tape. More tape here. So this Echo Park one was $50. Okay, I need to tape my little thing down. And I think I did that on my trial run, but I forgot to tape it down this morning. Okay, let's see what Echo Park has sent us for $50. Whew, I do like their style. Okay, we've got us a summer, looks like Summer Sunshine sticker book, 16 pages of stickers. So let's look at what's in here. If I could do this without causing any major bleeding. There we go. Should have my craft knife. Yeah, poke myself, of course. So, oh yeah, we got summer sticker books, popsicles, flip-flops, our typical beach vehicles. Cute. Okay, so we got those tropical summer stickers and 16 pages of those. Then we have some ephemera. Let's take a look at these. Oh, yeah, and these are nice quality. We got Summer Breeze Makes Me Feel Fine. Oh yeah, from the song. Beach Vibes, Make Vibes, Shinin', oh Shine, Shine and Vibin'. It's summertime. You shine so bright. Very cool. And then little things to make a banner, it looks like. Cool, sunglasses. Okay, gonna have some fun with these. And then some more. This will be, oh, pool party. Yep, I'm bleeding. All right, I'm back, and I'm happy to be here for your entertainment purposes. Oh well, anyway, we'll just move on. Got a little band-aid there. These things happen. Frames and tags. Oh boy, I like that. I like to have frames, you know, to go around your photos. Sometimes just to go around a saying. I kind of like that. Oh, so cute. We got a pineapple. And did you know I spent a little bit of time in Charleston, South Carolina? The pineapple is a symbol of hospitality. And they would put them out like on they had like verandas. And if you had your pineapple out after coming back from travels, that meant that people could come by and visit. So, very cute. Summer adventures, summer fun. This pops out, I like those. Flamingos, we can always use flamingos, right? Hello summer. Slice of summer. This is so cute. Because, wait till I show you my Heidi swap. Life is so sweet. Hello Summer. These are prettier. That's what I'm kind of going through. This is more like my colors and my style. So I'm kind of going through this one slower. Oh, popsicles. My grandkids love popsicles. I got them I got a, last year, a blue and white. It was all like for the 4th of July, and it was popsicles in red, white, and blue. I wore that t-shirt because they like that kind of stuff. Little ball. Days of Summer. Got our flip-flops there. Okay. Oh, I like these. Yes, we got some little raised stickers. So cute. My husband, for a while, he's a car dealer, and for a while he had a Woody wagon. It was so much fun. But of course, cars don't stay here long, they move on. We've got some Christmas stuff. Brads, love me some brads. I used to have a brad maker. I had so much fun making those, but I don't know where that is anymore. All right, little punch outs, card stock, or more like chipboard. In the summer, sandy toes and salty kisses. I guess we're gonna have to go to the beach, it looks like. More chipboard accents. We've got kind of more like spring and gardening, it looks like. Well, home and garden. Pretty. Oh, we got some 12 by 12 paper, yay. So we got some cutouts there, various cutouts. Shall we look at them? Yeah, let's look at them. And then I'll decide, depending on how much time we have, I'm gonna make a project out of this because I wanna make a project out of all of them. And then, like, depending on how much time we have, I'll add the project onto this video. But if I run out of time, I'll do a separate video with the project. Because I haven't made it yet, I haven't even planned it yet. I like to get inspired by the paper. So are these stickers or, yeah, these are stickers. Okay, so these are actual stickers. And then we've got our 12 by 12 paper. It's double-sided. It's nice cardstock, probably 110 maybe cardstock, maybe a little bit less. Pretty colors. Oh, and then we could cut this out or use the solid paper on the other side. Another. Ooh, lemons. Watermelons. Oh, look how cute, bathing suits. That's really cute. I'd probably use this side. The wheels are turning. What do I want to make? Life is sweet. Summer fun. If we go to the beach this year, it's not going to be till fall. We live in North Carolina, so we go to South Carolina. You know, where we live in North Carolina, it'd be a further trip to go to the coast of North Carolina, believe it or not. We're closer to the coast of South Carolina, just because of how we're positioned. Oh, I like this. I love this. I would definitely use this side. So cute. This has turned out to be a pretty good box. Everything is cool. Pineapples with their sunglasses on. Oh yeah, I love these collage type papers. Cute, cute. Oh, some gingham. Lazy, hazy, crazy days of summer. pretty. I like that color. Like sage or mint? Sage probably. Ooh, yes, very pretty. So it'd be hard to decide what to use, or maybe fold this over in a project. So if they both show. That's a good idea. Okay, that was our pool party papers. Ooh, we got more papers. This is a good box. I don't think any of them are going to compare to the 49 and Market one that I got though. That was just fabulous. Blew me out of the water. Pool in the pool. All right, so, oh yeah, these are the stickers. Do any of y'all use Echo Park? I used to use it a lot, but it seems like I kind of lost touch with them or something. I'm not sure why. I guess other things grab your attention. So these are the sticker pages. And this is all solid. Nope, individual letters. I wasn't sure if it was solid or individual letters. They're individual. More of that gingham plaid. Kind of seersucker. Do you remember seersucker? Although that's smaller plaids. Sunglasses. More watermelons. Oh, cute. So you could cut the strips out here or use it as a solid sheet. I love the smell. I know you can't smell it. I love the smell of papers when you first open them. Cool time, sunny days, barbecue. Very cute. Yeah, this is more like the seersucker with the smaller plaids. Cookout time. Ooh, I love this color. That's pretty. So really I can mix and match both paper packets. I like that, gives you more use. Pretty colors. Oh, very pretty color. Stripes make such nice, like if you cut them into smaller pieces to front, you know, to frame something or mat something, they just really work out well, I think. Stripes or polka dots, I love that. These look like those little paper flowers you would hang over tables at a pool party. Summer, ice cream for ice cream. We all scream for ice cream. Yes, we do. Pineapple. Flamingos. Ooh, pretty. Got us some water balloons. And looks like one last piece. Nope. Yep, one last piece. Look at those bathing suits. They're so cute. And then this is just the insert. Okay, yes, I can definitely make a project out of this. But thank you so much for watching. If I don't do another video, thanks for watching this one, and then I'll do the other one. And I also have a new kit that I have put together. It's a series of papers, and I'm going to do a video on that, denim and diamond. So that's going to be up next too.